How to make money with Rapid Workers. Now this video is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to show you everything you need to know, including what Rapid Workers is, how much you can actually make on Rapid Workers, and how you can start making money with rapidworkers.com as soon as today. So if you are interested in making money with Rapid Workers, keep watching, as this will be the most valuable video you have ever watched. Now, before we jump into this video, I just want to mention that my mentor has opened up a few spots for his free workshop. As I said, there is only a few spots, so it is a first come, first served basis. And this workshop actually allowed me to earn my first $7,000 month online, so it is definitely worth your time. And if you want to sign up, you can use the link down in the description. Okay, so as you can see right here, I am on rapidworkers.com, and this effectively right here, this screen when you first load in, this is for people who actually want to purchase work. So we are not really included in this category. But if we scroll down a little bit right here to the activity box, you can see the amount that people are going to pay for certain tasks, and over on this side you can see the amount you are actually going to earn. So for example, if we go for a like on a YouTube video, you will get paid 10 cents just to simply like a YouTube video. If you follow somebody on Twitter, you will get paid 12 cents. If you sign up for an insurance form, that is $1.50. If you create a Gmail account for somebody, that will pay you 13 cents. Sign up for an online game is 20 cents. And these two in the middle are paused right here, it looks like, so they are unavailable. Then we have another YouTube like, this time it will pay out 10 cents. And underneath, it just looks like these exact same things have been copied from above. So we can ignore this down below. But this top category right here, and this is how much you can earn from all of these different tasks. Now, if we see over on this left-hand side, we can see the workers section. And you can also see that if you sign up, we have the ability to browse micro jobs, select jobs you might like, finish tasks and submit proof, and then earn money. Now right here, it shows you that you can get paid out in PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, or a straight up bank transfer. So that is absolutely awesome, and they don't have some sort of obscure payment method or gift cards where it's a little harder to get your money. So now let's go ahead guys and sign up to Rapid Workers. So click this blue button, be a part of Rapid Workers now, and you are going to be taken to this screen. So it says right here, if you do any of these, you will be banned. So using a VPN, using multiple accounts with the same IP, using the same IP with other accounts to do tasks, or doing other country jobs where you are not from. So pretty basic rules right here guys. Pretty simple to avoid these right here guys. Just don't do anything sneaky or don't do anything, that you shouldn't really be doing, and your account will be fine. So what I'm going to do here is quickly sign up for an account. And once we have filled all of this in, we can go ahead and create this account. And just like that, we now have an account. So all we need to do from here is go ahead and verify the email address. You can see the email is right here. You have successfully created Rapid Workers account. Before we can activate your account, you have to confirm your email address. So just tap here and you can see the account is now active. So what we are going to do is click on list available jobs, and okay, so we need to go ahead and log in again. And right here, you can now see that I'm logged in and I can browse the available jobs. So at the top right here, we can see the available balance. So this is how much I have made. We can see how much I have deposited in total and how much I have withdrawn. So this deposit you can basically ignore unless you are going to be buying things on this website. That's not what we are here for. We are here to make money. So any money that you have withdrawn from your account will show up here. So we can see there is a bunch of tasks. So let's just go, and you can either sort guys by the payment. So we can go all the way up to $6.50 right here. And you can basically choose how much you get paid for each task. Now it should be noted guys that of course the higher the payment, the harder the task is going to be. So if we just go for a mid-range right here, let's just go for 50 cents. And then you can also sort by time. So actually, let's just go and sort this by no payment, and instead sort this by time. So you have timing all from 1 minute all the way up to, I think this is like 4 hours maybe, so that's pretty crazy right there. So let's just go for the 1 minute tasks. We can see that there is a bunch right here. So all you have to do is right here, OpenSea, sign up and favorite an NFT, and you will get paid out 6 cents. So that is nothing crazy, but for literally just favoriting an NFT, that is a pretty decent pay. So we just need to click on this task. And it says right here, you will earn 6 cents. This task takes less than 1 minute to finish. And it shows you right here which countries are allowed to do this job. So all you need to do is go to this link right here and log in and create an account. So let's go right here, and this should take us to OpenSea, just like that. And then as you can see guys, I already have an OpenSea account. So all I need to do is go ahead and favorite this NFT by clicking on this heart. Apparently not. Wait, how do I favorite an NFT? Wow, this is a bit embarrassing. How the heck do I favorite an NFT? Oh, okay. Up here. So all we need to do is click on favorite right here. Let me just connect my wallet. And then as you can see right here, we click on favorite. It says signature request. So we just go through and this is now favorited. So I've just completed this task right here. And all we need to do is go ahead and upload a print screen to prove that we have actually done this. So it says if a print screen is asked, use these 3 sites. So let's go to Snipboard right here. And then all we need to do is literally follow these steps. Click on the window you want to capture, which is here. Press Alt and print screen. So let's go ahead and do this. Alt and print screen. And then if we go back here, click back on this page and then press Ctrl and V to upload the image. Just like that, very, very simple. And then all we need to do guys is go ahead and copy this link and just paste it in here, say done, paste the link, and then we can click I confirm that I have followed instructions and completed this task. So now the employer is going to review my task, and if I met the requirements set by the employer, I am going to get paid. So you can see that this is super simple guys, and I definitely took longer for doing this than I could have because I was recording and explaining everything, but you can see just how simple it is to complete these jobs. So we can go back right here and we can go through and we can find even more jobs. So let's just do one more. Search, save and share my Fiverr gig. This will pay out 5 cents. So let's click on this, and right here it gives us step-by-step instructions once again. Log into Fiverr and search for keyword Shopify dropshipping winning products. So let's copy this, and then we can go to Fiverr, copy in Shopify dropshipping winning products, and then what does it say here? Filter by seller details and select seller lives in Morocco. So seller details, and we will say seller lives in, and we will find Morocco from this list. So there it is, Morocco, and apply. Filter by newest arrivals and find my gig with this thumbnail. So let's take a look at what this thumbnail looks like. We can go in here and take a look at what this looks like. Okay, so we are looking for this thumbnail right here on Fiverr. And we have found it just there, so it is this guy. And then all we need to do is save gig to the favorite list. So you can see that 90 people have already done this. Save to my first list right here, and that is now favorited. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to click Control, print screen, go to this app once again, and then in here, Control and V. And then we have this link once again, the image is right here. For some reason, it's not loading. So all we have to do is go in here and say done. Post the link, and then once again click I confirm that I have followed instructions and completed this task. So you can see that literally just in front of you right there guys, I completed 2 tasks. It took me a very short amount of time, and you can literally do this over and over again. There is thousands of gigs on here, and there is no limit to how many you can do. Now hopefully you found this video valuable. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and tap that subscribe button. That was how to make money on Rapid Workers. Thank you for watching.